remember when I was in Abuja, there was this person. I always saw him somewhere whenever I was going to the office. Always dressed up, suited up, in beautiful suits and tie every day. One day something led to one thing and I gave him a lift. I gave him a ride. And we got talking. Then he said to me, sir, the truth is I'm out of job, but I'm looking for a job. I said, no. Did you just lose your job? He said, no. I said, all the time I see you, 7 a.m. going to work, 7:30, you will see him dressed up, suited up. He said, no, I just do that so that I can meet people that are going to work because I never can tell any of them could help me. So, wow. So, it means that even without a job, he was going out at the same time, those that have jobs, so that he could meet people. And I think eventually, if I remember his story, I think he got a job. That's somebody that has a drive. I'm okay, Lord. I am not under pressure by anyone to do what I don't want to do. I'm just good with myself. I'm good with what you are doing in my life. It's just that, Lord, I would want this more. That is somebody who has contentment. If I listen to you for some time, I can tell whether you are a contented person. And you know, listen to me, people of God. You know, when I started, I told you it's not a spiritual gift. There are some cultures that have contentment built into their fabric. Do you understand what I mean? I don't want to mention any tribe in Nigeria, but if you relate with some people, you will know that there is contentment inside them. Somebody say, Pastor, what are you talking about? How else would you explain how a cleaner will find $10,000 and will go and return it? This person hasn't paid his child's school fees. This person doesn't have a car. This person, he doesn't have anything. Yet he returns $10,000, not because anybody caught him, not because anybody could catch him. And yet, there are church people, and I say church people because it sometimes baffles me. When they read that, I say, Evele done me. I say, prove me now herewith, and see what I will do if I'm in this situation. I say, I'll be sounding seme. Before they say something, I mean, a believer is plotting how he will go. Many people lack contentment. So it's not a matter of what you have or what you don't have. It is in your fabric. People ask, if I find this kind of money, is it a sin not to return it? That's the question people ask. Is it a sin if I don't return it? Because we lack contentment. If when you collect 50,000 naira as your salary, you are not contented, trust me, if they make it 50 million naira, you will still not be contented. You know, somebody that is contented will be okay with the shoe he wears. It will just be okay. He's not looking at comparing himself with other people. That's what people that don't have contentment do. They compare themselves. No. But a contented person, he just gives glory to God. And if somebody asks me something, say, well, that's where I am currently. I'm trusting God for a lifting. And guess what? When God finds those people, he sees them consistent with him, with his principles, he will lift them eventually. He said, humble yourself under the mighty hand of God, that he may lift you, he may exalt you in due time.